A Sacramento mother is scared for her young family's safety, and she wants law enforcement to take action. Ring video shows a man coming to her door 4 times in recent weeks, including late at night, claiming to be from social services. She's called 911 each time, and so far the sheriff's office has responded but not cited or arrested him.
CBS 13's Steve Large is getting answers on why she feels cornered by these creepy encounters.
A series of Ring videos at the front door of this Sacramento home shows a man
social services
claiming he's from social services.
Yeah, my social services.
And asking the homeowner to let him come check on children inside the home.
You know, I hear a child crying in there, a little baby.
In one video, you can hear the response from the mother inside.
You need to leave.
Look.
I'm calling the cops.
That mother is this woman.
I don't know what to do, how to protect myself, because I have no men at home.
She does not want to be identified because she fears for her safety. She says each time the man has come to her home, her husband has been gone. She's been home alone with her 4 children, and she believes the man knows it.
He keeps coming back at night, and then he keeps wanting to come in. You know, he keeps saying, I want to come in, I need to come in, and he's claiming to be from social services.
Sacramento County Sheriff's deputies have responded to her 911 calls. They have not arrested the man who lives in the neighborhood. A spokesperson described his behaviors as a nuisance.
Why do you think he's coming to your house?
I really don't know.
I went to the man's home to ask him myself. He opened his door.
Why do you keep knocking on their door?
I don't go. You have to excuse me. I don't go over there and irritate them. I go over there once in a while to see if somebody was okay.
His answer was hard to understand.
Did the sheriff's department tell you not to go there anymore?
They did, so I just said, okay, I won't do it. We'll go over there.
But you went there yesterday.
No, it wasn't yesterday.
This clearly seems to me to violate the California Penal Code about stalking, and I'm pretty firm in my opinion about that.
Attorney Mark Reichel believes this man is breaking state law. And even if deputies don't arrest him, Reichel says a civil harassment order can be filed against him.
So if she gets a civil harassment order, let's say, and hasn't charged him with stalking yet in a criminal case, but he violates that civil harassment order, she can call the police and they can come and they really should arrest him at that point.
Social services.
A creepy encounter and a mother seeking to help keep him away.
I'm calling the cops.
Well, Reichel says he believes a judge is likely to grant the civil harassment order in this case, which can be good for 3 years and then renewed for 3 years after that.